Club Babies is for babies of 2 to 12 months old. It is a holistic weekly program that promotes early stimulation through exciting and informative class themes, music and a variety of props and equipment. We focus on strengthening their little bodies, sensory stimulation, and we ensure that parents have a safe place to bond with their babies and to meet others.
I'm Louise, I'm the owner of Glide Swimming. Glide has been in operation for 12 years now. I started Glide when I had 2 small children and I realized that there was a need in my area for a swim school which had small classes and a nurturing environment for them to learn how to swim. Through our swimming classes, we hope that our children will learn a lifelong love of water. We want them to become water safe as soon as possible so that they can enjoy being safe around the water with their friends and family. And we hope that they'll also consider swimming as a sport for the rest of their lives. When they come to us, it's the very beginning of their life, but we hope that swimming will be with them forever.
Okay, my name is Godwin Kusena and I'm the owner of GTA Tennis, that is Godwin Tennis Academy. I started this tennis academy in 2018 after working for another company. It was just a dream to start my own thing and everything just started 2018 to run it, and when I got a contract at Crawford Loniu. So when I started, I only started with some few clients. I think there were about 10. That was before I get the school, the Crawford. So then from there, it was the Crawford pre-primary school and also the primary school. I think it's about 40 kids that I started with. It's an extramural that is run there with different extramural categories, but for me, I'm basically just doing tennis. Yeah, so then at the prep as well, it was just to do school tennis and also to do my own private lessons. Yeah. Also in addition to the school, I also do coach private houses, and there are some institute tennis courts. That's where I can also go and teach tennis there.
Okay, so the skills children will get while doing Bishobitos is developing mathematical and reasoning abilities. Language, change the way your child thinks by using left and right brain simultaneously. It also stimulates the problem-solving abilities of a child. It increases a child's memory. It creates a happy child. So those are the most important skills for Bishobitos. Okay, what separates us from the other musical programs is the music stories develop skills and cultural awareness. Music acts on the drums. We also do brain gym with the children. We do flexibility of movement through the variety use of percussion instruments. Then it also teaches children skills to operate in a group, dancing, singing and musical perceptions, and then exposes the child to multicultural rhymes through English, Afrikaans, Zulu and Sotho.
Climber Club is a well-rounded program that focuses on all skill areas. We have created our own music which is incorporated into our lessons, and we have specialized equipment that we have specially made for us for the skills we focus on. Climber Club, our program, has been developed by occupational therapists and pediatric physiotherapists to ensure that we focus on all the areas of the baby's development. I love what I do and I love seeing the small little babies grow and develop when they start from a very young age. I had a little baby who was born at 27 weeks old. They started Climber Club round about when he was 9 months old. It was amazing to see how that little baby developed. At 9 months, he wasn't on par with any of his peers. He started later with all his milestones, but we ended up by 18 months having him where his peers are. That was so amazing to see how that little one grew and developed all his skills.
What's different about Glide is that we are a family-orientated swim school. Our entire focus is about your family. We feel that if your family is happy in the water, everyone will have a happy water experience for the rest of their lives. We are not just about numbers, we are not just about a production line. For us, it's about every single individual swimmer and their journey in the water. At our swim school, we really value that each and every person who comes to us is water safe. It's not about the numbers, it's about the progress of each and every individual swimmer, whether they're a baby right the way through to an adult. It's really important to me that our swimmers have a happy experience when they come and swim. Our lessons are constructive and they have fun and games included, but I like to see that at the end of each lesson they've made progress, and that we can see that even within a very short amount of time they actually have become competent in the water and are safe to swim under adult supervision.
So yeah, I've got a funny story. We had a child that was actually blind, and through music he could actually start communicating with his parents, and it was amazing to see how he would do different rhythms on drums. So yeah, and what else inspires me is the fact that the children are always happy to see you, and you can see the difference it makes in every child's life. Okay, so what separates us from our competitors is the musical stories and developing the life skills of a child through cultural awareness.
Regarding the teaching of one thing that I love about this job of tennis coaching is how I see the kids growing and how it changes their life and even the healthy wise. Yeah, it is amazing. I've got a child that I've taught from grade triple knot and up to now. He's doing grade 5 now. His name is Sean Hutchison. It's amazing how he has grown up to be able to play the game. It's someone that I can count on to play tennis, or something that I can even recommend to anyone who wants a tennis player.
AdminOnline helped me making my invoicing easier, loading payments of customers to keep track of that, and also the class lists. Everything is in one program and make it much easier to keep track of everything.
AdminOnline has transformed my business. When I started out as a small little afternoon part-time job, I was doing all the invoicing manually, and it was taking me an hour or two. But as my business grew and became more and more successful, it was taking me up to 2 to 3 days to invoice.
Yeah, the one other good thing about AdminOnline, it also helped me to know that everyone has to be registered, everyone has to get a certain invoice number, so you don't have to keep trying to track the invoice number. You can even track it on the system once you download in your bank statement.
So the one thing AdminOnline really made easy was bulk invoicing and billing. It's really one push of a button and it goes out to everyone. You can also select school by school or even child according to their ages. And I thank AdminOnline for that. So I would really recommend AdminOnline for your admin needs. It really makes it very easy, and they're also always willing to help you whenever you need help.
Yeah, and the other thing is you can also do the SMS to all the clients. You can do the emails, and yeah, it's an awesome AdminOnline system that has helped me a lot. Yeah, so everything that comes with it, it's even if you want to, you can do your recording. Let's say people have paid, you can record the payments. You can choose to record the manual, or you can download your bank statement. Once you put it in, then it can just automatically update who has paid and who hasn't paid. Yeah.
Once I started AdminOnline, I was able to make sure that I was billing everybody correctly, and it was taking a fraction of the amount of time. In fact, at the time I was planning on employing a third person to help me with my administration, but it wasn't needed once I had AdminOnline, because this then took the place of a person and actually was far more accurate than I could ever have been.